a simple matter. Any issue where you see the national anthem and your flag is not in, I know Egenda burn become a war sent by Kuruno Nebuandika Mauri Gabu Kuruno Uganda Yamidali Kumibakumote Valina Kakati this was the Olympics. Hey, I take a Tamani who Kakato Kuvermaga in Tinavatari Kuriji Balonde Kati Abo person by Zokubanga Babalated Davanaf. We begin to Kwambala Gadana.
Oh, Dengo position at 8 days.
Nenge bibi never kutango do. Yes, Nkubodi.
Sichizibu.
Nkugamba. Anti voters register. Secretary wa UNEB tayinza gani n'abaana abatali register ni mukole ebigezo. I don't blame the president. Why? Nti bano bamalo yesanga mu kizibu. Ari accessible. Chairman kati ari accessible. Bagezi bamugaye nti muzeyi omanyi voters register. Otango Day was given voters register in time, he rejected them. Miso sources. Nkugamba. Naruli erabu bakola Museveni. Ngabamazaka lukonona. Museveni's intervention. Mubile 10. Responding to this outcry from the victims of the deliberate elimination exercise discussed above, the president appointed the Kigongo team. He also sacked the Magoma team. However, the Kigongo team could not repair the damage. In a few cases, elections were repeated, but even those who came were part of the original scheme. They were financed by the invisible hand. This is comparable. What the president did by appointing the Kigongo committee is comparable to a parent who warns his pregnant daughter against bad boys. The advice comes too late because she has already conceived. It seems those behind the scheme already properly the president's mind, as they have done now, and put up remedies in case any intervention was made. The election had been properly and scientifically rigged. The majority of those who secured the NRM party cards were supported by the invisible hand that I pointed out earlier. Even those in the opposition and the independent all belonged to the same group as today. Realizing that the invisible Chitegera bweba mukozena kati.
Skategede.
Luli mubili 10 bwebama lukola omuvuyo guno. Nga liye wali. Awanguddwa ne yawangula badukira ku secretariat. Who was at the secretariat in Babas? Because the chairman is not seen.
Nina yajirina.
Hey, Nina yaremera gundi voters register like this man Tango Day has done 5 years later.
The
voters register is there.
Motive chi obutajita.
Anti nkugambye nti bamubaza. Aim was nti boba akipanga nti what will he do? Nti singa nzo musajja omugezi sikubanga. Anti bwenkube endulu nanga inoluga kati nkube kati nse bwenkube endulu ate kyalo kidi ndi mu perimeter wall ninoluga olutali lumu kati abasirikale we kati nkube endulu nkuba yaye endulu means I'm seeking help. I'm well equipped. Kati ewa kati nse bwenkube endulu ku kyalo babba newalala nsirika busirisi gwe rukubo oyingire nkulage ku ndomola ya acid mfuwe olupiira mwina tembwa yange nga sijigenderede mbwa yange ensene zagenda nezigwandoza nga tezimanyi kakati ye ejja ku dirisa lyange egira bweti etakulako erabye ebintu byetamanyi nenga nayona ni ono omusira ayingira ku nyumba ya Salambwa nendujjayo olupiira lwange ne kapiko mwenye acid botamufuwa bulungi ate akoma weno mumpeo napo
ofuyisa kimumwachi
ni nyeno olupira ne lufulumya waliwo yingini concentrated bakulubuta akuyita mbuyisi na ulira mbwa yekaba ninga
gotomala kwetegeza. Okay,
ntinze nkube ndulu ni endiga bwoba ogenda ogisala boza abakinjayi nekaba tebagisala
neka
kati nkube ndulu atanya
lwaki bwekaba tebagisala
anti endiga tete yakufa kindi buzaba kinjaji ubo genda okusala endika ne kabagireke endika yebaka bwebasi
sala
sala ugende yes kakati era nakana akalubwe kali ate nga nakabagamba nakano bwe kali nti in the 5 years ago the president appointed the Chikongo team. I'll not be surprised when the president appoints the Chikongo team nga bakomplain is era Chikongo yagenze semba
ne Mirundi obuwereza bwa amambabazi ku secretariat emabegako bwali spab
ina mbyano nyamu nabagamba nti bwosoma history ya Uganda the only secretary general gomwali yagadde nnyo Lumumba taina president's ambitions nemba gamba the first secretary general was Kakonge of UPC Obote feared Kakonge. Why? Kakonge had a masters from India ngobote tiyasoma talina Kakonge was popular bwali banonya akalulu Kakonge yayigunyisa abantu yagenda mu Sinairo nasula mu nsisira Obote namulimba tikakati twetaga ku secretariat gwebera wonga coordinator tojja kuvaawo nja kuteeka mu 10 nominated ndaba tukolaganye n'abaaki Kakonge as Uganda was celebrating independence Kakonge was the first exile he went to Nyerere nga mbobeta alonze n'abayindi mu 10 nominated Kakonge talimu amutya Muwanga Paulo Muwanga naddira ekifo kye n'akiwa Kakonge that's why Nyerere admired Paulo Muwanga if you have never sacrificed for the party toba na respect Muwanga kivula yakubobeta ekyo had invested that wali atayagala Paulo Muwanga at that time Muwanga natunda ebintu kwembase ya Uganda France nabiteeka mu lutalo this is how Muwanga became very important in the party in UPC Obote namuleka wakuuma entebe bali bamutestinze kakati Kakonge Obote naleta Grace Ibingira yali yegase n'abemmengo bamuwambe secretary general namujjako naleta Felix Onama yegatta n'Obote amuwambe secretary general Mbabazi yali amukubye ekigu the only secretary general in the history of Uganda who does not harbor presidential ambitions is Lumumba ate bamukuba
nati performance takuze performance eganyi
ne bagala okutunda gundi bali bagala okutunda gundi 10 gundi bwaba yo sente balo yabapate balo yabapate bibaja baziri bwaba yo sente ulufono sente za covid tali yako ya banda wea bwaba abo sente Rogers Mulindo yeta enda ziri akaenda kutambulya ku boda Rodomba jaziri mujogabo abumba joge you cannot when there is money I should share money. The Baganda have a proverb. Tuli balungi kulya oba balungi mirimo. Why do you separate people at lunch time? Ebijamu abana kabanda bakimya amazi. You cannot.
Mukulanchi time.
Kulanchi time kwolabira abana ababona abatali babo. Bitu binkola ndabiga. You need money. For one mu Uganda.
Sente ngozagala nnyo.
Abaganda tweddira ebintu byonna ebyobusiru amazzi g'ekisasi enkeboko ogimanyi abeddira enkeboka
nkiwulira
b omwana olupa mayenga adduka talaba ku b yeddira enkeboka tweddira enkeboka tweddira ekinyumu tweddira embwa tweddira ekibe n'ab'embuzi gye bali tewali yeddira ssente taliyo teyita gamba Muganda ndire neddira sente akabiru ndika oba akabiru kikoyi ebyo tebiriyo njoba akabiranda we ebyo bibiri ndio Muganda yeddira sente fe tweddira sente akabiru ndika oba akabiru kikoyi kya mukazi oba akabiranda we sigirabako eyawa ku sente nebyo bibiri tuli united tondi yako sente gundi tutingana yes you cannot take money from me era kana kaluna kamba I'm answerable to the chairman bwe nkola emirimo ku mbaga yakawasanga mmanyi negwe nyizo okwasa enkunga enkuya zigulidde omuntu
azase
president abawa sente nibayikweka nosanga omusajja wena ali munatunde emmotoka yange kabagenda tuwangula nga sente bizibye bizina
ngojitunda niya gambo ojitunda
yanti kati nze ndinokola nga kawasa mmanyi direct
wetukira
era kati yangamba okuba obutabo bwentambula nabo obwo bugatabo bwange obwedde obwo
Kawasa
wajuinga era mbubagabira nabo printing mbubagabira sikola mpaka nga Kawasa tamanyi ekyo tikikozabanga tuyita mwana we Yesu Kristo ninga basiramu ntuka wa Allah butere toyinza kunziba etariyo
dakika mwendo kutoka kusawa enya ampuliriza tuli mmoyo gwa gwanga the Patriot wanje
kana katabusa kaundika mu 212 kakati atira bakano tano nakabwandika jjo nabagamba also on Friday 7th February 2020 at my residence in Chengera completed at 3:25 a.m. nakugamba challenges ahead facing NRM. In 2009 while addressing a cadre course at Shankwanzi Leadership Institute, President Museveni announced 7 directives that would govern NRM party primaries. He explained that he had been soft on independence because they defended themselves, saying primaries involve rigging. He issued guidelines to govern the 2011 elections in the party. However, since then, none of the directives has been implemented, and the challenge persists to date. When the one day munu katabo kalabi kadde February nenkugamba Museveni directives in 2009 nakateteke bwanga mu nkola register all NRM supporters in all villages singaba
songo ya kuandisa abantu ye yasoka
mu 2 tebakikolangako
219
if we had the voters register then what warranted the presidential intervention
batali natene balonde
2 che mbabazi che yakola tango doyi shaliko tango doyi bagala to retain okuleta beba nazanyesa do it
ogambe directives
do it you know nechibina abana bana chiyolawo do it
number 1 tujitegeke
mu economics batugamba the price of a commodity remains high as long as there are no competitive substitutes, so you a pure monopolist. Number 2, make announcements for such registration in time to enable every member of NRM to register. Number 3, in order to have that information to reach everyone, Museveni suggested that local communication for channels, ebizindalo, rural radios that reach audience of grassroots babiyambis kakati oyo gundi dombo yabadde akolagana kana kasajja ka New Vision tutaddewo channel y'olulu mbudombo batulena kakasajja bagabane send ba MPs babagambe nti obudde buli ku vision tuyina oba yagala boke why if dombo if these people are so stupid that they can decide which channel they can use, buy them underwears, underpants and indicas. Yes, it's the MP who knows, the candidate who knows which channel is effective in his work constituency, not Domba and Kabushenga. Singaba mufundiriza kulunu naduka ngempale tajirina obubi bwabwe bubagwamu tebadda mukubba nekugamba NRM should not
number 1 yabadde ya register 2 yabadde ya
number 2 yabadde ya communication number 3
anti bitwagala okusinzira ko kwa
yabadde order yali make announcement number 2 era yogere kigambo ky'Oluganda yagamba ki kigambo ky'Oluganda kye yakozesa okulalika mulalika abenalimu okulalika mubabulire weni temubagwako bugwe. Number 4, NRM should not, no leader of NRM should support any candidate should support contenders by leaders of NRM yabagana. Those leaders who contravene this directive would be punished. By leaders abali ku top tebagenda mu byalo kolera muntu.
Chairman yagamba
kubanga bamugamba ti abantu bave Kampala ne bajja batwanda mayininga wana. Ne bavudde mu presidential office ne balimba. Ne nkugamba elections should be held in the most transparent manner. Number 6, a yellow book containing the names of registered members should be compiled and produced. Number 7. Only registered members of NRM. Only registered members of NRM should participate in party primaries. Only. Anti yabagamba nti I'm soft on independence. Why? They come and tell me nti akamyufu mukabba. Kakati the man sat down to find watertight solutions to enable the Kamyufu to be thorough. Tango doi yomuye nembabazi bibimu. Tebayita kudya Kamyufu omanyi nti house galo asobola kuteeka omunya mu mbabalago agana okulya emmere. Bwobanga ogenda omukazi agenda embaza house galo malanga ziteekako naye zimuwe kazi lyeko sigwe kujambo ku testinga wegifumbye.
Ayinza okubanga mu M7 chairman yakola guidance eyo
nezali implement
ne resources nezitajja
no
nezidemesa implement
kugambye nti when you go to the secretariat nga Tango Doi ne fujjolye lwakuba batya mise njejabijjayo ebalage nti wabaddeyo polopa voters registers that were rejected by Tango Doi. He must be a man on his mission. Nenkugamba as mentioned earlier, all of the above directives were not implemented. The reason is that there exist formidable groups in NRM who are interested in maintaining the status quo. For example, no yellow book was produced. A committee was set up at the secretariat to verify academic papers. Tango Doi, Yababaluli, million bilibili na leta mwalawe. They were required to pay 2 million as verification fees. This did not work since verification of academic papers is a mandate of UNEP and the court of law. There is no judge in Uganda who will say that is politics. That's not legal. That's your politics. Omulamuzi omugezi wembali yabagobye
and the state is taking over omusango guno state yagututese tatone
bono bakolera campaign. Why do you struggle? Gundi yabalemerera ono Haji Sebagala yeje ne certificate of attendance natwala abana mu UNEB 10 ne bafa. Nimbaga Sebagala is a man, a woman,
certificate of attendance,
a man whose wife has never conceived. Taina lubuto nogena matente wede jeyo mwana mukuba amasasa aveyo bakuba bana bali innocent. Sebagala nakera kumajana ga sasoma era ne bamuwasende Bukenya nazi mu bakezimu ne Sebagala nga mugezi nadde London nagula ubucha yenyama ate yasoma. Sebagala nakomonga ina diguli ya muganda we manya gundi gawuni ya muganda wono we education ajirese diguli ajirese. Now abajinga bali wano nze sali wasizaawo singa sawa sadda naye